Hey guys, this is Rhett with Ozark Trailer Sales and Manufacturing. I've got a brand new trailer for us. We're really excited to offer it. We're starting a whole new lineup of inline hay haulers that we're really excited to feature. Today, I've got our biggest bale hauler that we are going to have available to our dealers and also our customer base. This is a 40-foot, 20 bale hauler. It'll have 2 hay cradles and it'll dump left and right. This one specifically has a hydraulic locking mechanism, which I'll show you as well. If you guys are looking at this video, you already know how valuable this piece of equipment is. Being able to deliver the hay, unload it in like record time, especially with the wireless remote that we added to this, and then just get right back to your fields and loading it up. This specific one has 2 Dexter 10,000-pound axles, and it has 16-ply tires. It does have all the lights that's going to be required, but we do put this in the farm implement equipment category. So starting front to back, you've got an I-beam frame. You've got this real nice tongue box. This is going to house the electric motor, the battery, and this is all going to be complementary of the hydraulic locking mechanism, which you see right here. So what I'm going to do is we've got the wireless remote. You would do this from your vehicle, and this is how it's going to unlock. Now, these cradles aren't going to automatically fall over, but it's because there's no hay in them. So when it's unlocked, the hay would actually automatically dump these all the way over, dumping both rows of bales at the same time. You can actually run back to the farm. It's no wider with these down. So you can run it down the road with this cradle up. So you don't have to get back out until you get back to your tractor and farm and bales. And then you will lift this back up to lock. Just like that. Both sides would have to be locked like that. Coming to the back, you're going to see more lights. And you'll see the loading system. This is where you're going to load those hay bales. Both of these safety straps come off so you don't have to lift that bale up and over. You're going to remove this and you're just going to keep sliding those bales up until they hit the neck. And again, you'll see the same on this side, which I will also dump. Just like that. Run back to the farm, jump out of the truck, you're about to get in the tractor, and you're going to lift that dude back up. And then, whether it be through the wired remote or the wireless remote, you're going to lock those cradles back in place. Right there. That's locked. That's done. Awesome trailer. We're excited to offer it. We're going to have this in a 18 bale, a 16 bale, and a 14 bale. Both double cradles, all the way from 7,000-pound axles, 8,000-pound axles, up to what you're seeing here, 10,000-pound axles, man. We also have our inline hay bale trailers, which you guys have seen before. Don't forget about those. Appreciate you checking us out. Thanks, and God bless.